Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to run you through the CountIf function we have in Excel. Now, as the name suggests, this CountIf function is used for counting anything in a given range based on a condition. So let's get started with this. Again, we type in the equal sign to let Excel know that we are counting a formula. We type in CountIf and we start the formula. Now, the first thing it looks for is a range, what range we are working with. So let's say we want to see how many times we have done a sale over $1,000. So in this given criteria, we have total, which is G column, and we have the complete sale amount. So let's say we select everything, and which is G2 to G44 is the complete data. We hit comma. Now it start looking for a criteria. Now the criteria is that we want anything which is more than 1,000. So as the rule says, we start the criteria with inverted commas. We do greater than sign because we wanted anything which is greater than 1,000, and we type in 1,000. Close the criteria with inverted commas. We close the function, hit enter. Now, if you see, we got 6 as a count where the 6 represent that there's only 6 instances where the sale is been done over over $1,000. Now, with a reference, let's say we wanted to give this 1,000 as a reference, or the cell. I wanted the value in H1 to be treated as the reference value, or the greater than 1,000, or anything, whatever the number is, I want it to be from the H1 value. So let's say we change the formula, we type in 1,000 here, we come in the formula. What we do, we again use the same thing. Now the criteria ends at the greater than. So we close the inverted commas, we use the AND function, and we use H1, which is our reference cell. We close, we hit enter. Now, if you see what we are doing, we are given the criteria in inverted commas, and then we are giving the cell reference with the AND. So let's say, just to check, let's change this to 500. You'll see the number changes. We move on to 14. So what we are doing is we are using the count formula, or the CountIf formula. We're counting something based on a criteria. Now we can give a criteria directly to the formula, or we can have the criteria mentioned in one cell, and we can use that particular cell with the AND operator to combine and give us the desired output. Now, thumb rules for this CountIf formula would be that we can only use this formula, or the criteria have to be in the inverted double quotes, because that's how the Excel would be knowing that this is a criteria. Now the self-reference have not to be in a quote, because the cell reference would be followed after the AND value, where the AND is an operator we would be using to give a combination of the criteria and the cell reference. Now we can use the wildcards as well. And this is not case sensitive, as we have most of the Excel functions. I hope you understand it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.